Welcome to Hellbound Hackers video. Today we're going to learn about cross-server hacking. I'm going to use Hellbound's website as an example. Now the first step is to upload a file manager, which I've done. I'm using webadmin.php. It's open source, you can Google it, it will come up with something. Right, here you can see all of the files listed in Hellbound's public HTML directory. Now here's the username for Hellbound, HBH. Now we can change that username to any username on the same server and we can view their files. So now what we're going to do is find the different usernames on the server. So we go into the main server folder and then into the etc. We'll go down to the password file. Now here we can see a list of all the usernames on the same server. Now I'm going to be using Information Pirates as an example. Here's our username. Now we'll go back to webadmin and enter their public HTML directory. Now you can see all the files that are in their folder. Now what's interesting is the config.php file, which is the database config file that Fusion uses. Now here's his username and password and database name that he uses to connect. So if we get a database manager and input his details into it, I'm using Wiz MySQL Manager.php, also open source, you can get it there. Now I've already input his username and password to connect to his database. So now if we run that file, here's a list of all of the databases that he has under his username. So we'll view the Fusion database. Now here's all his tables he's got. Now let's view his news. And here's all the news posts that he's made. Now a trick for viewing his web space, if you don't know his actual address, is to just put that symbol and the username after the website you're directing it from, and it will bring up his website straight away. Now you can see here's his new post about an iPod. Now the same we got there. Now you can edit, delete it, do what you want with it, like put some JavaScript in there or whatever you want really. And it's that easy. Well, I hope you learnt something, so go out there and give it a go.